Hello everybody, this is Judy from Maysky Stainless Steel Co. Limited. Welcome to our live broadcast every Friday. Let's find the latest stainless steel market news here. First one, China raised export tariffs on ferrochrome. China has raised export tariffs on ferrochrome since August 1 from 20% to 40%. Market participants are concerning whether it will affect stainless steel industry or not. Actually, the policy caused the tight supply and the fluctuating price of raw materials. But if raw material cost increased, China's stainless steel company can only raise price to reflect the hike in production cost. So the current price is increasing. Second one, markets to start price in expected Fed rate hike. Non-farm payrolls in the U.S. rose by 943,000 in July. This is the largest increase in nearly a year and underscores the robust recovery in the labor markets. With the good data and a stronger dollar, the market has already started to price in a more likely range hike expected this week from the Federal Reserve. Currently, people expect the market to stabilize again during this week and then continue its upward trend due to tight availability and the resulting long delivery time. EU stainless steel price for flat products continued to rise last week. Third one, low supply continues to push up European stainless steel price. The price of cold-rolled stainless steel in the European market have risen by 50 euros per ton in the past week in early August due to the tight supply situation. It was understood that it is a low season in the summer. Although the demand is weak now, the price continues to increase further. The present delivery period of local steel mills is very long, and the earliest availability of goods was at the end of December and January next year. Asia's offer is cheaper, but it was still difficult to import from Asia. Due to the safeguard measures and anti-dumping tax, there was a lack of overseas quotations from Asia. The shortage of material was expected to continue further during the summer season, and the price will be remain high. Next one, South Korea stainless steel import price to continue rising. South Korea stainless steel importers announced that they will increase the stainless steel import price in August. South Korea stainless steel price has been increasing sharply since China cancelled its export tax rebates at the end of April, according to the market participants. Due to higher imported stainless steel price and a larger proportion of Chinese stainless steel in the domestic markets, South Korea buyers cannot find any source in the short term, but turn to purchase from POSCO. Therefore, the stainless steel import price was expected to rise further. Okay, next one. Stainless steel price in East Asia markets increased too. At the beginning of August, the stainless steel import price in the East Asia market slightly increased. However, although the price went up, trading activities remained inactive in the markets. During the past week, few imported products were sold in South Korea markets due to the approved anti-dumping measures. Larger factories from countries and regions which were included in the anti-dumping list tried to end the tariff expression by offering higher quotations, while China showed no interest in producing since the import price was not competitive enough. This week, some exporters pulled down the quotations as the domestic price decreased, while some raised the quotation for hot-rolled coal due to low supply. Okay, next one. China's Tsingshan plans to build Southern Africa's largest mill in Zimbabwe. A new town will be created in Zimbabwe by China's Tsingshan Group Holdings, and a world-class steel mill equipped with ferrochrome furnace will be built here. The project will be carried out by Dinson Iron and Steel Company, a subsidiary of Tsingshan. It will be the largest mill in Southern Africa when the project is completed. The investment was expected to reach 1 billion. From processing plants to mining, the annual sales will reach 1.5 billion. The project will be equipped with a 1.5 kilometer long, 6-meter wide carbide steel mill, an iron ore mine, and a ferrochrome plant. The annual production capacity will reach 1.2 tons and will provide 4,000 to 5,000 job opportunities. Next one, China nickel production down 15%. Chinese nickel production has fallen by more than 15% so far in 2021. Inventories have also fallen a lot. This has boosted the nickel price. In Shanghai, nickel is currently up by almost 5%, and in London by more than 1.5%. On the London nickel, the price had already increased a lot on 11 August. 8. Workers at Kingport tested positive for COVID-19 in one of China's major ports, Ningbo, Zhoushan. A worker has been diagnosed with COVID-19, according to the media reports. Appropriate hygiene measures have been taken, and according to initial reports, apparently ships intending to land at Ningbo, Zhoushan have already been turned away. It remains to be seen how severe the impact will be on the major ports' overall operation and whether it may have to go into full lockdown. The final one, visa delivery delays for goods from China possible. The data variance is not only a problem for the domestic Chinese market, but also for companies that buy products such as steel and aluminum from China due to the new lockdowns. There may be visa delays in delivery here. In general, the stainless steel price may not drop off in short time. We suggest you make purchase plan in good time to save some cost. Now, time to introduce our products. We are Maysky Stainless Steel Incorporated in Foshan, China. Only manufacture stainless steel welded tubes in ASTM A554 and A270 standard. Let me introduce the tube production process by some features now. First one, this is the raw material. It's the stainless steel tube. It's the raw material of stainless steel welded tubes. We will install the strips on the runner. When the machine runs, the strip go into the machine. And then the machine will bend the material into the tube shape, round, square, or rectangular. Here you can see here. Meantime, it goes through the welding process. Our welding way is TIG welding. TIG welding. And then the machine will cooling the tubes by water, cooling the tubes. And now we can cut the tubes into the length we need. The regular length is 6 meter, 6.1 or 5.8 meter. Or other lengths you want, you can let us know. Cut the length process. And this is the final process in production. It's polish. We can do brush, polish, mirror, finish here. After finished the production, our inspection department will check the tube's quality piece by piece. They will inspect the size, thickness, surface, welding line, length, and also check the straightness and roughness. Here you can see check the thickness here, the diameter, the length, and the surface finish here. After finishing the inspection, let's go to the package step. Each tube will pack into one plastic bag. Here you can see we will stick a label on each tube by poly bag. Several tubes pack into the big bundle with 2 ropes. Each bundle weight is about 300 to 500 kilograms. This big bundle is for European customers and South America customers. For some customers require for small bundles, we also can make it. After packing, we will put the tubes in our warehouse and waiting for loading. Normally, we will put the tubes in the warehouse for 7 days. And here, this is the last step. Arrange the loading. We will put slings on each bundle and the forklift will lift the bundle into the container. This is our entire process from production to shipment. If you still have any questions, you can contact us for more information. Here, our contact information here. You can send us emails or contact us by phone directly. Our confirmation here. Okay. Our tube standard is ASTM A554 and A270. In Europe, it have different names. You can see here. So this is the Europe standard here. It's for ASTM A554. It's mainly for decoration use, for substrate, and for A270 standard tube are for sanitary. It's for food. We could supply the material for 201, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, and 430 material. Here you can see 201, 201, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, 430. Yeah. This is our material grade. You can send us inquiry if you have such demand. About the surface finish, there are mere finish, 13 surface in 180 grades, 240 grades, 320 grades, and 40 grades, 400 grades. Also polish grades like 600 grades, and mirror polish in 800 grades. I will show you one by one. Here, this is the 13 surface here, but I think from the mobile pro cannot see clearly the grades. If you want samples, you can contact us. We can send you free samples, 13 surface for round tube. And this one, 13 surface for square tube, 30 surface. Also, some customer want its brush surface. And then polish 600. Here, this one 600. I think we can make its comparison with 800. 800 is more clear, just like mirror here. 600 is little dirty here. 800 grades is more expensive than 600 grades. Okay, this is round one. Round one, this one is 600 here. 600 grades polish. This one is mirror 800 grades. You can make comparison. 800 grades is more bright here, just like mirror 800. Before this tube, we also can make slot tube, the round slot tube. Here, this one is the original surface, also called mirror finish here. We pay much more attention into the tube quality. We will test the size, the thickness, the length, and make sure they can meet the tolerance of the size. We also will check the surface finish, make sure there are no handing holes, no sand hole, no sand holes, scratches, or the surface finish is what the customers need. We also will check the welding line to see if it's fully welded. Here we can see the welding line if it's fully welded here. Welding line. We will also check the cut edge, and make sure there are no burrs and the edge is flat and smooth. We will also check the straightness, make sure the tube is straight and without any bending. And it's the material test certificate. For 201, it has 1% nickel and 14% chromium. Here you can see our mill test for 201. 1% for nickel, and this is the chrome. 201 mill test here. Next one is 304. 304, 8% nickel and 18% for chrome. 304 mill test certificates. The last one is 316. 316 is at least 10% nickel. 10% nickel at least. Also, we prepared some samples for our customers, like the round tube 42.2 millimeter surface is 320 grades. There are 304 and 1316 material for choose. For the square tube, 40 by 40 by 1.5 and 2 millimeter is available. Surface is 240 grades and 320 grades. Material is 304. If you want to receive the samples, welcome to send us the email. If you want samples, just send us email. We can talk more details here. And if you have the required for other size samples, you can send email and contact us directly here. Actually, before the decoration and the sanitary tubes, we also can do some other crafts such as inside bead removed, inside polish, pickling, this special craft. I will show you some samples. Here for this one, the surface is we pickling the tube, so the tube surface looks like white pickling surface, and also inside bead removed. Inside bead removed in the tubes, pickling plus inside bead removed. And the inside bead remove and the inside polish. Inside bead remove and inside polish here. From here, this one, you can see we remove the welding line. Okay, finally, an important news. In the end of November, we will participate the Stainless Steel World Exhibition to be held in Netherlands from 30th November to 2nd December. Our booth number is B86. Our booth number is B86. It's one famous and reputable fair in stainless steel field. Will you go to that fair? Welcome to visit our booth and talk with us face by face. We look forward to meet with you here. We will attend the Stainless Steel World Exhibition in November. Welcome to visit our booth. Any more questions or information needed, please contact us. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Goodbye. Bye-bye.